Here's why I'm gonna go ahead and install GoFastBits DV Plus diverter valve on my 2012 BMW F30 328i that comes with the N20 engine. So what is a diverter valve? The diverter valve is located on the side of your turbocharger, and it's used to put pressure back into the compressor inlet and keep your compressor wheel, or like the thing that is inside your turbo, moving so that it could decrease turbo lag. So according to their website, I'm just reading it off their website, sharper throttle response, faster boost recovery on gear shift, solves boost leaking issues, and built to last. So if you're new to this channel, you'd know that I've had a lot of boost leaking issues with this car. So first of all, my charge pipe, I had to change it. My boost pipe had to be changed, both of them, to FTP aluminum parts, because BMW just loves their plastic. Then my air intake was broken. I changed all of the hoses in the engine, and I serviced the turbo, and I still have a boost leak. Drivetrain comes up, the diagnostic system tells me that there's a boost leak. What else is left? The diverter valve. So that's the last thing that I hope to God I'm gonna change to prevent the boost leak. Normally the GFB is like a preventative maintenance as well, because it's like a metal, like very strong. For me, it's not a preventative anymore. I have to change my diverter valve, and so why not upgrade it? Let's go ahead, do the upgrade, see how it sounds. I'll throw some sound clips for you after the end of the video, like after we install it. So make sure to stick around until the end of the video, and let's go. By the way, if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. We are at 1,200 subscribers now, and we are growing faster than ever. So let's keep the momentum and have all of you guys who watch the video subscribe. Okay, bro, can you explain to me what this diverter valve is compared to the original one?
So first of all, the original is plastic and mixed with rubber and silicone. So,
BMW.
Thank you. So what this basically does is just going to put this here, be an additional layer to your housing. So it's going to be a painful fit, but I think we can make it work.
Now what does it mean? Do I have to pay him labor too? Where's the original one, bro? What's broken about this? Just change. Why don't I just change the silicone for like 5 cents?
You would think.
He got angry.
Don't talk like that, he's angry.
Why do you ask stupid questions? So just this stupid silicone alone is giving me boost leak?
Yep.
And now a word from our sponsors.
Just got back from a road trip which was around 2,000 kilometers long. I don't know, it was way too long, and you can tell my car has seen better days. It's so goddamn dirty. So that's where this comes in. If your car is dirty like mine all the time, go grab yourselves a AJ Drives B2B. God knows what B2B means. The first link down below, it will help support the channel. Click the first link on the in the description. As of now, it's Malaysia only, but we are working on a worldwide launch. But click the first link down below, grab yourselves a B2B car shampoo. Your car will thank you. I will thank you for supporting the channel and helping us make more videos, and all of the proceeds from this will go to like bringing back more awesome content for every one of you guys. So thank you for that. Let's go watch the rest of the video. Okay, so we are doing GFB DV Plus diverter valve on this. My old diverter valve was just gone. I was losing a lot of boost. I was getting drivetrain for the 100th time. But this is a good upgrade. I got the part from one of my friends who's actually holding the camera, bro. I'm sure you've seen this guy on the channel. This is actually a good upgrade because the original diverter valve that comes with this engines is plastic, and it cannot hold the boost as well. since the diverter valve was gone, we might as well upgrade it, right? Pogu at Z Auto Service is helping me do this install. We had to wait for a couple of hours for this engine to cool down, but it's finally cool. And if you want to install, the explanation is if you want to install, you come to his shop. Yeah, yeah. But if you're not in Malaysia, you listen to this. You want to do Genting one day?
Can?
I have a new diverter valve, so I'm gonna beat you.
I have a new absorber, so.
I got my absorbers from you. Yeah. I gotta say, it sounds really good. I think the next mod should definitely be a MST cold air intake. Right? Yeah, nice. Let me know down below what you think of this mod. Let me know what you want to see next on this channel. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe down below. It's free. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Was well worth it. Bro, the engine is cold, come on! Now it's fun. Now it's fun.